today?
I said, why not at school?
Yeah, let's go at 10:30.
Huh?
Yeah, let's go at 10:30.
Oh, you got it.
So I was playing badminton with Niger.
At school?
Yeah. Got it? Got it?
Oh, you.
Let it drain? It's already drained. Now we just put it in.
Inside, it's a freezer and a fridge.
Corey, you should have told me
You
before.
got taller. You are taller than the fridge. I'm still shorter.
Oh, and I got pee myself.
Am I still shorter?
Ooh.
Wow.
That's nice and cozy. It's like a, oh. What the?
That's for eggs.
Dang.
I'll definitely can put my lollipop in here.
Is that for eggs?
Where'd it go?
Hey, go this here. There you go, right there.
Hi, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to another video in our video of converting our patio to a sunroom. What you just saw is us opening these fridges that we've had for quite a while. We got them last year during the Black Friday sale. They were overstocked, so they were very cheap. I think $99 each. But we plan to put them in this room. After the wedding, we can use this as a secondary place for Mom to store all of her curry pop or frozen curry pop. And maybe all of Mommy's Celeste pizza. And maybe like an extra storage for eggs, right? So, I like that. Take a look. Thankfully the flood didn't damage anything, or hopefully it didn't damage anything, but it looks like the inside of the fridge is left intact. And the freezer looks pretty nice as well. Makes me think that we should get like one of those movable racks for drying like cookies and stuff, just to complete the look. But I really like these. I like the sleek look of them. You know, like I mentioned earlier, we had a flood, and that reached up to about this level. You can see on the box just how far it went up, and you can see even the foam is dirty. But hopefully it's been long enough. I mean, it's been like what, half a year for the refrigerator and the freezer to dry up completely. So the electronics should be okay. But we're just going to make sure after we finish everything else. So that's my brother Tommy.
Hello.
He's just taking the card out, the dolly. This is just a video we did on the fly. Here is our air conditioner. It's a generic brand. It's Intertech. It's a portable air conditioner. You can see that it's set up pretty well, and it just kind of fits into this open air. This sunroom. Except for this part right here, we need to make that look a bit nicer, but that's pretty easy. Tommy, what do you think about the air conditioner? You like it?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah, so we got the air conditioner now. And so you can also see that we finished the flooring. As you can see, to get the contour of these posts, we had to cut the wood very contourly to fit further out this. And you can see that there's even small imperfection here. I hope that didn't bother my dad too much because he's an imperfection. He's a perfectionist. But he did a pretty good job, and I like it. Next step is going to be putting the baseboard on. So he's going to be going around and putting the baseboard. That's why we have all this covering here. Well, the covering is for a different purpose, but the baseboard is going to be put on sort of the corners of these walls where the floor meets the wall. And then after that, the room is going to be finished. And now, finally, stuff for the wedding is in here. Because before it was in our living room, but we don't have a lot of space in our living room, so we decided to put all of it here. You can see like an ottoman for taking pictures. And because the wedding's in 2 weeks, we might not be able to do an update video, but if we do an update video, it'll probably be on the fly, just like this video. So, with that being said, that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos from EyeOnAiman, especially the videos on converting our patio to a three-season sunroom. It's amazing to think how far we've come, and I'm excited to see what this place looks like when we're finally fully furnished, fully done. See you then. Peace out.